Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in Adobe Illustrator we are going to see a text flip effect as you can see on your screens. So let me just delete this first. So first of all I have created a rectangle and I have locked the layer as you can see because I don't want it to be moved like this. I simply lock the layer so that it becomes fixed. Now after doing this we simply have to write any text that you want, and I'm going to keep the text color to white. You can type whatever you want. It's not white yet, so I will write graphics. Now it's important that you may take the font face a bit thicker font or a bit bold font, so the effect will look better. Now I'm going to rotate this by using the shift key so that it is properly rotated to 90 degrees. If you don't use the shift key, it might be a bit difficult to rotate it exactly to 90 degrees, so you better use the shift key. Now I will zoom it a little bit by using the Control plus key. Control plus. Now using this particular tool over here, free transform tool, and the little panel over here, select this option perspective distort and make it in perspective. Now before that, just remember you have to, because you cannot apply this particular option to a text, so we have to convert this first by using the object and we have to expand it. Okay, now using this particular tool and this option perspective distort, you can distort it or give it a perspective whatever amount you like. Now take a copy of this using the Alt key or the Option key in Mac and change the size a little bit so that it will look a bit different than the first text, like this. So there will be some variation between the two shapes or the text. Now adjust the distance as per your requirement. Maybe I will put it over here like this. Now select both the objects and go to Object, Blend, and go to Blend options, and remember we want to blend it in steps, so specified steps. For now we are going to keep 2 steps. Okay, and again go to Option, Blend, and click on Make. So this is how it will look. Now again using the Alt key or the Option key, take copy of this particular group and rotate this again using the Shift key. So this is the flip effect. Now using the gradient panel, apply the gradient. So this is how it will look. It's very simple. Now if you want some variation in this particular effect, simply I'm going to undo this. What you can do is you can increase the number of steps, the blend steps. Go to Blend and then Blend and Blend options. So instead of 2, I'm going to make it 4 steps. Again Object, Blend, and Make. So this is how it will look. Again take a copy of this particular group and rotate this. Again use the gradient tool to apply the colors. So we have flipped this particular effect. So this is a variation. Again if you want a different variation, this is now, as you can see, this is a flip. This is not a mirror image, as you can see. So if you want mirror image, what you can do is you can simply again copy this and using the reflection tool or the reflect tool, simply double click on this particular tool and use the vertical option and click OK. So this is actually a mirror image of this particular group, as you can see. if you want, you can use this variation, and if you don't want, you can simply rotate this particular group using the shift key. So whatever feels good or whatever looks good to you, you can use some variations, and you can also do variations in color like this. So there's different options that you can choose. So I'll keep it to this now. So this is a simple way to create this flip effect. So if you like the video, please give this a video like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye and cheers.